Hamjambo, mimi ni Abdikarim. Karibuni katika darasa la Kiswahili la leo. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the relative of place. In the previous lesson, in this series, we talked about the relative of time, where we're using po to show when. Okay, like nilipolala, when I slept. Ninapolala, when I sleep, whenever I sleep. Nitakapolala, when I will sleep. Okay, so that was for the previous lesson. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the relative of place. And this relative of place has its basis on the noun class pokomo or pakumu. We call this pokomo or pakumu. If you've been studying Swahili or learning Swahili, you might have encountered this. Now, these markers here, they indicate places. All of them indicate places, but there is slight difference in which place they indicate. For instance, this marker po indicates a place that is definite, a place that is definite to you, clearly specific to you. Okay. Then this ko, indefinite place, general place. Okay. Then more here indicates a place that is inside. Okay, before we continue, if you're new here, click the subscribe button. Let's continue. More, it does what? It shows place that is inside location. Okay, inside location. So we will start with the first one here. But before we start with the first one, I just mentioned to you that we sometimes call this pakumu. Pakumu. I can write somewhere here. Pakumu. Mu. This pa implies hapa. Like hapa here. Okay, hapa. Then huku. Then mu is humu, where you will write humu here. So hapa, when you tell someone come here, kuja hapa, or njoo hapa, this place is specific, come to this specific place, definite place. Okay? Then huku, this side. Huku means here, but this side. Kuja huku, come this side. Then humu mu here, humu is inside here. Kuja humu, come inside here. Okay? Come inside here. An example with sentences, I can say hapa nyumbani. Hapa nyumbani, here at home. Maybe that's a different place at home. Hapa nyumbani. Huku, I can say huku Kenya, here in Kenya. When I say huku Kenya, I'm not specific on which part of Kenya. I just say huku Kenya. Okay? Huku Kenya. Then when I say humu, something that is very enclosed. Something that is enclosed, like inside a room we say chumbani. Okay? Chumba is a room. Inside the room is chumbani. We say humu chumbani. Humu chumbani, inside here in the room. Okay? Humu moyoni, inside here in the heart. Okay? Humu kichwani, inside here in the head. Inside the head. Humu kichwani. So, humu. This pakumu, but I'll just have to erase this one. So, on it. We go to our lesson. Our main part here is po. I'm explaining this po with the relative of place, how we can use this in examples. So let's have example number one. I said this is definite place, very specific place to you. Okay? Moja, ninapoweka pesa. The verb is kuweka. 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 This is to keep. To keep. So I say ninapoweka pesa. Okay? Just normal verb. Ninaweka pesa means I'm keeping money. Ninaweka pesa. That's a normal verb, like with the present tense marker. Ninaweka pesa. Okay? But when we say here, ninapoweka pesa, this means where I keep money. Pesa is money. Ninapoweka pesa, where I keep money. Okay? Where I keep money. Unapoweka pesa. Unapoweka pesa, where you keep money. Where you keep money. Okay? Anapoweka pesa, where he or she keeps money. Sawa? Tunapoweka pesa, where we keep money. Tunapoweka pesa, where we keep money. Mnapoweka pesa, where you all keep money. Mnapoweka pesa. Wanapoweka pesa, where they keep money. Wanapoweka pesa. When I was a kid, maybe I could visit my uncle and or just our relatives. When you visit the relatives, or when the relative visits you, they come with some gifts, maybe some cash they give you. Then we like saving for celebration, maybe Eid celebration, or if you are Christian, you will save for Christmas celebration, or if you will go to maybe you visit someone, you will save money so that you can surprise them. So I used to save kidogo kidogo. Then my brother tells me, ninajua unapoweka pesa. Ninajua unapoweka pesa. I got scared. I know where you keep money. Ninajua, I know. Ninajua unapoweka pesa. I had to change where I keep money. I had to change because he know it is supposed to be a secret place. So this is po. We can have ko. Ko is normally indefinite place, general location. Okay. Ko. We can say we replace this one with ko here. So I don't know if you'll figure out the difference, but let's see. Okay, ninako, unako, anako, but we'll find another example to use with this one, okay? Okay. Nilikoenda pesa, the place that I keep money, where I keep money. So this is very, very general place, okay? Nilikoenda pesa. Unapoweka pesa, where you keep money, but this is not very specific point or specific place. It's a general place, okay? Okay. Then anapoweka pesa, where he keeps money. Not specific place, very indefinite place, where he keeps money. Tunapoweka pesa, where we keep money. Mnapoweka pesa, where you all keep money, where you all keep money. Then wanapoweka pesa. Wanapoweka pesa, where they keep money. Where they keep money. Mostly traditional grammars, yani grammars ni watu gani? Wanasarufi. Like we have scientists, we say wanasayansi, and grammars in Swahili wanasarufi. Most traditional grammars were very strict on the use of this po, ko, and mo. Very, very strict. Okay, they could give a clear distinction. They are very strict on distincting the use of these markers to indicate a place. So let's see. Mostly they argued that this ko is mostly used to indicate maybe motion or direction. Okay, so let me give you another example to show motion. I can say kuenda is to go. Okay, so let's see. Kuenda. So that was ko, and we have this. Okay, so we talked about ko already, and we again talking about the ko. Okay, ko. This is indefinite, as I have said. This is indefinite. Okay. Example we have here moja. We say we use the verb kuenda. Kuenda. Kuenda is to go. Kuenda. To go. Yeah. You can use kuenda or kwenda. We have this another one, kwenda. Kwenda. It's same. Has the same meaning. Kwenda and kwenda. So you'll have example one. Moja. Yeah, moja. This is Ninakoenda. Ninakoenda. Ninakoenda implies where I'm going. As I said, sometimes mostly used to imply motion, motion towards or direction, okay, or maybe from or to. So ninakoenda, where I am going, where I am going, where I am going. For you, wewe, unakoenda. Unakoenda. I should make this distinct a little bit. Unakoenda, sawa? Unakoenda. So this will show where you are going. Where you are going. This is not a question. Where, and this is a statement, just normal sentence, where you are going. Then we have parts cha here. We will say anakoenda. Anakoenda. So this anakoenda simply means where he or she is going. Anakoenda. Anakoenda. Okay, anakoenda. Then sisi Tunakoenda. 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 This will imply where we are going. Where we are going. Where we are going. We have another one here. Da, the, mnakoenda. 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 This implies mnakoenda, where you all are going. Yeah, we have the last one here. The space won't accept this. You're wondering where I write the final one. Wanako. So I'll just tell you. The part E here is wanakoenda. Wanakoenda, where they are going. Wanakoenda. We have ninakoenda, where I am going. Okay? Ninakoenda. You can tell someone ninajua unakoenda. I know where you are going. Ninajua unakoenda. Oh, sijui unakoenda. Sijui unakoenda. I don't know where you are going. Okay? Then unakoenda or ninakoenda, anakoenda, anakoenda, where he or she is going. Anakoenda, anakoenda. We can say anakoenda kuna mvua. Anakoenda kuna mvua. Where he or she is going, there is rain. Anakoenda kuna mvua. Okay, another one. Tunakoenda. Tunakoenda. Tunakoenda kuna jua. Tunakoenda kuna jua. Where we are going, it is sunny or there is sun, you know. Tunakoenda kuna jua. This one. Mnakoenda. Mnakoenda. Mnakoenda kuna maybe theluji. It's snowy. Mnakoenda kuna theluji. Where you are going, it's snowy. Sawa? So just the examples are not limited to the weather condition only. You can use use different words. You've learned a lot of words. Use those words to form sentences with this. Okay? As I've said earlier that the traditional grammars, you know, have argued strictly that this is used to indicate maybe motion or direction, and also general, place that is general, okay, that's very general, indefinite place. However, in most work of Swahili writers, speakers, poets, not mostly poets. Poets are allowed to maybe play around with the language. You know, when you're learning Swahili, I don't advise you to use poems while learning Swahili, because the poem they are allowed to break. What's this? The poets are allowed to break the grammar rules. Okay, but most work of the writers and the speakers of the Swahili, they actually can use this ko to indicate a place that is indefinite or definite. And they can use this po as well to indicate the place that is definite or indefinite. However, this more, that's where they draw the line. That's where the rule remains up to now, that this more is only inside location. So let's check more here. So again, don't quote me wrong that I said, Teacher Karim said, we should not listen to poems or we should not read poems when we are learning Swahili. Not that one. I mean, when you are maybe learning grammar, Swahili grammar, you don't need to read poem to learn grammar or to ask question like what is this poem? How is this word used? This, you know, in a poem, poem has its rules. So poems, Swahili has allowed poem to break the grammar rules so that to satisfy its needs. You know, so maybe the words should end with this one, so people can just break the rule and add there something else, and you wonder, mostly songs, you see some songs they're using words even you don't understand, you know. Okay, so we have here more, tatu. Yes, this is inside location. Yeah, inside location. I can have an example one here. We use the verb kuishi. To live. Kuishi. Sawa. Kuishi. To live. Mimi. Ninamoishi. Ninamoishi. Ninamoishi, where I live, inside, okay? Inside, actually, so this is inside. Inside place, where I live, inside place. Maybe you're living in a cave, you tell someone, ninamoishi ni humu. Where I live, the inside, where I live is here, inside here. Or you live in a room, you tell someone, ninamoishi ni humu. You bring a guest, ninamoishi ni humu. The place where I live, the inside place that I live is in here. Ninamoishi ni humu. Sawa? Ninamoishi. Then part another one. Ba. Unamoishi. 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 Unamoishi here. Where you live. Where you live. Where you live. Ba, cha here. Anamoishi. Anamoishi. Where he or she lives, inside. This is inside location. Sisi, we, tunamoishi. tunamoishi, where we live. We have another one here. The. Mnamoishi. Mnamoishi, where you all live. Mnamoishi. Mnamoishi. This is where you all live. Lastly, we have here a wanamoishi. Wanamoishi. See? Ninamoishi, where I live. Ninamoishi. Unamoishi, where you live. Unamoishi. Anamoishi, where he or she lives. Tunamoishi, where we live. But this is, again, I'm stressing, this is inside location. When you're talking about this more, you're referring to a place that is inside an enclosed, maybe building or enclosed something, okay? Mnamoishi, where, tunamoishi, where we live inside. Mnamoishi, where you all live. Wanamoishi, where they live. The inside location, okay? Inside location. I'll give you 3 examples in sentences, like this is just ninamoishi, namoishi. This is like incomplete sentence. I'll give you 3 examples of sentences that are complete using one sentence this one, another one this one, and another one this one. Let's see, and they'll see. I need to erase this one. We say like this, example 1 with this one. Moja. Place. Ni o. Nionyeshe. Show me. Show me. Show me. The verb is kuonyesha. When it's like subjunctive, this a changes to a. Nionyeshe. Nionyeshe ulipo. Yeah, this person is furious, maybe. Nionyeshe uliponunua simu hii. Show me where